Let's talk about how to pick an outfit you actually like. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. Sit down. Okay. I wanted to make this video for you guys because I still struggle getting dressed when I have like an occasion. And I think I put so much pressure on getting dressed for things that are actually plans because I don't do things anymore, that I'm like, oh, this is my one chance to get dressed. I want the outfit to be killer, and I end up liking my more like day-to-day outfits better. I guess this is for more like we have something to do, how to get dressed when you feel like you have nothing to wear. I've done a similar video to this like 2 or 3 years ago, so I thought it'd be time for a refresh. And some of the things are different, but there's, you know, some like key things that we got to remember. So before you even start getting dressed, figure out the vibe of where you're going. Figure out either what your friends are wearing, or if you're going to a restaurant or an activity or just a venue, something where you've never been before, figure out what people wear there. I totally stole this tip from my best friend Katie, but she would go on Instagram and search the location of the place or look at their tagged photos and see what people like posted when they went and kind of decide the vibe in that way. And I think that that's such a good tip because it's not like going on the website and seeing what, you know, the pictures the brand or the company or the place posted. It's seeing what real people wear there. I'm always somebody who would rather be overdressed than underdressed. I like being a little bit overdressed. I like, you know, getting dressed, so it's more fun for me. So, you know, figure out the vibe and then get a little bit overdressed because you're watching this video, you probably, you know, enjoy your outfits, enjoy getting dressed. Maybe not enjoy getting dressed, enjoy being dressed. Okay, with that, I read this quote in a book and I've talked about it in a past video and I can't remember the book. It's being seen makes you less yourself. So how would you dress if nobody was going to see you? I think that this is such a good thing if you want to feel comfortable and confident, because sometimes, for me at least, it's like, okay, well, I know that everyone there is just going to be wearing leggings and a hoodie and sneakers. That's just like where I live, what people wear 100% of the time. I'm not joking. Like, I was trying to think if I've ever seen anybody out in ballet flats. I don't think I've ever seen somebody out in ballet flats. Like, isn't that crazy? Or even loafers. Like, people here literally wear sneakers 24/7, and that's totally fine. But I'm not doing that. I know that maybe it makes me stand out or like look overdressed or whatever, but I feel most confident in, again, a little bit of an overdressed outfit, whether that's a sundress or patterned pants, a blouse, whatever. I feel way more comfortable in that than a hoodie and leggings. If nobody saw me, that's not what I would be putting on. I would be putting on what I wear. So think about what you will be most comfortable in. I don't think that always has to mean, oh, athleisure, sweatpants, a hoodie, you know what I mean? And if it does mean that, wear that. Some days I do feel most comfortable in my joggers and a hoodie. And I feel like when that's what I want to wear, I look better in that than like trying to force myself in jeans and a sweater. Do you know what I mean? You look best when you're comfortable and confident. So once you pick that vibe, try not to stray away from it, because it's easier for us to work in one direction rather than keep getting, you know, different thoughts and pulling from different places. I have in my head like, okay, I want to wear a dress and not a sneaker, or a dress and a sandal, something like that. I'm going to only be pulling dresses and sandals and working in that. And when it doesn't work out, or if it doesn't work out, you have to stray away, but stray away completely. Start fresh. Like, totally ignore everything you just thought and be like, okay, well, I don't want to wear dress and sandals. I want to wear patterned pants and sneakers. Something else that always helps me, and I do this with my videos when I have to plan a lot of outfits, is picking a hero piece. So basically, this is the one piece that you're gonna work around. I think a lot of people do it without like, you know, saying it's a hero piece, but deciding that I want to wear pink jeans. Okay, what tops go with my pink jeans? I'm gonna put my pink jeans on, and then I'm gonna grab tops and remove the tops and put the different tops on and put the different shoes on. I have to keep the jeans on basically, but I can change everything else. Especially if it's something you've worn before, you know it's gonna work and something will work out with it, so just keep it on. And if the hero piece isn't working, obviously ditch the hero piece, but I think starting with that is good. And then just pick a different hero piece that you know you wanna wear. Thinking about what matters most in an outfit, I feel like this is something that I've recently discovered with trying to minimize my personal buying is every time I'm like, okay, it's my time that I get to make a new purchase, it always ends up being shoes, because I feel like shoes can just make or break an outfit and can completely change the vibe of an outfit. If you feel like nothing is working, put on your most basic, comfortable outfit, your favorite jeans, your favorite t-shirt, or even like your favorite dress, just something that you wear all the time, and pick a fun pair of shoes. Again, a fun pair of shoes doesn't always have to be in a heel. It can be a ballet flat, it can be a loafer, it can be an Oxford, it can be a colorful sneaker. It doesn't have to be, you know, anything but a sneaker. Sneakers can work too. So focus on the shoes, focus on the accessories, but mostly the shoes. Next thing is sometimes I will get so tired after just absolutely nothing is working, and I feel like this mostly happens in the summertime. I hate all my outfits that I get so lazy, and I will put on the most fugly thing where I'm like, I would have looked better if I just put on sweatpants and a t-shirt. Like, I just lose all sense of reality and I put on something so ugly. This happened my first time going out since having Lucy, and it was one of my best friend Izzy's birthdays. I literally wore a maternity t-shirt and baggy jeans and put a belt on that was way too big, and I was so excited and I was so ready to like wear such a cute outfit, and I wore such an ugly outfit because I got so tired of, you know, deciding something that I was like, like this should work. Horrible. If you're getting lazy like that and you're trying to put an outfit together, outfit repeat. You will not regret outfit repeating something that you have loved, that you've worn before. And again, nobody will remember it. Outfit repeating is so normal. But I think, again, when we like build up an event in our head, we're like, I'm so excited for this event. I want to wear something new, something fun. It doesn't work out. We like try and do something different. We're already just being stupid. Just outfit repeat. I wish I would have outfit repeated something from my videos. And that's something else. Like, when I think I'm like, oh, I've already showed this outfit in a video, I don't want to wear it because now it's got such a permanent footprint. I need to rewear my outfits from my videos because I never wear my outfits from my videos. Do some last minute alterations. This sounds crazy and like something you could definitely regret, but I normally always am okay with it. And I don't mean like start making, you know, a new piece from scratch. And even like cutting pieces, I would say don't do that because you'll probably regret it and you'll be in a rush and you'll do it horribly. But I've cut pieces right before leaving and I immediately obsess over it, and then I'll like keep wearing it way more than I ever would. And the easy one to do is if you have a t-shirt and you want it to be off the shoulder, just cutting off the banding of the neck, make the perfect line, do not overcut it. That's an easy one. And then even cutting the band off the bottom will add like a really nice rolled texture. But okay, not cutting, grab a safety pin, it's your best friend. Something we would always do in ballet with our leotards is just ruche the front to make it a little like V-neck. And if you take your safety pin and weave it in and out, I'll have to show it, and you pin it on the inside, you add this really cute ruche texture that you can add to the front of a t-shirt. You can add it to a skirt. I have done it with like midi skirts before. I'll pin them on the side and add this like just like a different silhouette. You can do it on the hem of your pants if you want to make them like a capri or a kick flare or something like that. I always do that. Or you can make low-waisted pants high-waisted, more trousers. And again, I'll show the video, but all of these I have done before, like as I'm running out of the house and have used. I'm not gonna say something that I've never done before in like a pinch of time because I don't wanna like lead you guys the wrong way when you're trying to get out of the house. Okay, and then the last tip is if you're really stumped, go on your Instagram and look through your outfits. What have you worn? What did you like? What like made it to your Instagram and you took pictures in it? You know, that's obviously an outfit that you like. And you could copy it verbatim, or you can kind of twist it and be like, okay, well, I really like the silhouette of this outfit and that's why it worked on me in this occasion. I can remake that with these pieces. Or I really like the color combo. I can remake it with these pieces. Yourself as inspo is the best inspo ever. I said this in my last video, but also like Friends is a really good inspo because they live in the same area as you. They're probably similar to you. You probably like their style a bit, or you hate it and you're gonna do something different. But I think that like real people in your life and yourself is the best outfit inspo. So that's it for this video. Before we end it though, I wanted to talk a little bit about Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website and platform. to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes building and maintaining a website easy. I love it because I can focus more on the creative aspects and let Squarespace do the heavy lifting. Make it easy to sell your products in an online store. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools to sell your products online. Analytics is something that is so important when maintaining and improving your website and your brand, and Squarespace makes analytics easy. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. If your Squarespace account is acting as an online store, the checkout process is so easy for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and offer your customers the option to buy now and pay later with Clear Pay and Afterpay. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain with code LaineyOzark. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and love you the absolute most. Bye.